How's it going, YouTube? Today I was just going to show you how to take the door panel off of your 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring. It's pretty easy. Works on any 11th gen, any Civic really. I was just going to make this quick video just because I needed to take my door panel off because I need to do some switch work with this switch that I have on my door. But here's how you're going to do it. You can start from two locations. I mean, I did it down here, but it's easier to pull from right in between the seal in your window. But you're just gonna pry up and you're gonna feel it click, and you're just gonna take a couple of these connectors out and you're just gonna go bit by bit. One over here popped actually, but you're just gonna go along the seam of your door and pop them out. Now, it's important to note that you should never try to force anything up because this door will not come off until you've unscrewed something and the screw is hidden. So once you've gone along the seam down here, you won't be able to get anything up here until you've gotten the screw right here. So I'm going to show you how to grab that. You're going to take a pry tool or your nails, depending on how strong you are, and you're going to pull this panel up. And it's gonna have a couple connectors just like this. Don't try to force anything too hard, but it should just pop up. There's a connector here, should be one here, and then around here, I think, and then you'll pull it up. So I'll show you that. So I've popped this up starting at the front, and now I can just work my way around it. Once you've done it a couple times, it becomes easier, but for doing it on the first time, it might take a little bit of work because your car is completely new and everything is just sealed in place. So I'm gonna grab this off and I'll show you the last part down here. So I've got it mostly disassembled to 3 clips here, and then you're just gonna be able to peel it up from this back side here. You wanna get your nails under it. And now the last clip is right here. So you're gonna wanna have some force on this far end, but don't pull it too much because you'll snap the clip. So you're just gonna pull this out and you're gonna have 2 wires here, and you're just gonna unclip them with these little clips here. Now you got your clips both off. You can toss that aside, put that in your door panel, and this is the screw that you need to access. Now once you have this screw out, set it aside where you're not gonna lose it. And now you can get the rest of your door panel off up here. So I'm just gonna go around again with my fingers and pop it out. And once you've gotten all the clips off, you will have your door panel off. Reverse the steps, you can put it back on. You just wanna make sure to line up all of the holes with these little green clips, and make sure that each of these clips is still there, because sometimes they fall out and you just have to slide them back into place. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.